Hello dear friends. Today I will show you how to quickly and easily set a password on the OKX exchange. Let's enter our exchange. Here we first enter the wallet, then we go to the exchange. Here we enter the main menu. On the left, we see a square with dots. We click on it. They switch to the profile here. Here we see the profile and settings. We click on the first button. Here comes the mail. Let's move on to the second chapter, security. Next, we need to enter the passkey password securely and confirm our data accurately right here. Click the continue button, then select the option for phone verification. Next, send the verification code to our registered phone number to proceed with the verification process, moving up then shifting sideways, and once again transitioning sideways. So I went through, the code is currently being sent, and we are now patiently waiting to receive the code back. So, I received the code 029583, confirming it. No, please don't stop or hesitate, just continue with what you were doing.